everyone. Welcome to day 10 of your New Year's yoga journey. We are almost there. 2 more days. I'm so happy you're here with me today. We are doing a little bit of different stuff. Boosting our energy is the theme today. And how do we do that? We're going to be tapping on our meridians, pressing on some acupressure points, and finding just a little bit of feeling a little bit maybe more silly in our practice. So to start our practice today, we always like to start with our intentional breath. Feet are hip-width distance apart. Draw your eyes inward, close them. Let's go ahead, take a deep breath in. Breathe out. When we start our practice with our intentional breath, I'd like you to focus on really finding yourself on your chair, in your room, and in your body. And then now let's set the intention for boosting our energy today. Breathing in and out. Okay, go ahead and open up your eyes if you had closed them. What are we gonna do to start? We're gonna open up our arms, really reach up to the sky. I want you to shake, 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 shake. Shake out the whole body. Shake, 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 shake. Just give yourself a whole shake. I want you to feel a little uninhibited here. Just shake, 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 shake. The best thing we do to boost our energy, according to Chinese medicines, we gotta tap and just spark and open up and feel our blood and our chi, our life force moving. So I want you to shake it, shake, shake, shake. And you see how I'm shaking? I'm actually moving my waist, like a little dancey. Doing a little almost like movement and dancing. And I'm gonna take my hands onto my chair so I'm feeling support, and I'm gonna shake my legs. So I'm taking them and shaking my legs. Maybe you gotta do them one at a time. That's okay. Give yourself a little shake. Shake, 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 shake. Good. Now from here, I want you to start tapping. So we're gonna start tapping on the top, underneath of our collarbones. We're gonna tap here. And you'll notice, I'm kind of tapping pretty firmly, so it's your choice. Do you want to tap with a gentle fist here? Do you want to tap with your fingers? It's your practice, your choice, whatever you want to do. So I'm tapping here to start. Now I want to open my palms up and I want to just tap my head a little. Just gentle. Knock some sense into me. Tap, 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 tap. Now I'm taking my index, my middle finger. I'm going to tap the sides of my temples. Gently or firmly, your choice. Don't overdo it, please, though. Okay, and then I want you to come across the eyebrows into the center between the eyebrows. This is yin tong. We're gonna tap here. Breathe. Breathing in, breathing out. Good. Come on back. 2 fingers out to the temples, and then open up the palms. Give yourself a little tap, 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 tap on the top of the head, tap on the back of the head. Go ahead and tap on the back of the neck. Gently or firmly. Now I'm going down the sides of my neck, coming down, and I'm going to start tapping on the top of my shoulder. Now I have shoulder tension, so I'm going to go ahead and tap pretty firmly. So I'm going to go ahead and do a fist, give myself a good little smack here. Gallbladder 21, whenever you're stressed, tension, this is a good one. This is a common point that I acupuncture. Okay, go ahead and tap all the way down. Turn the palm, tap all the way up. Good. Up, down, and turn the palm all the way up. Come across. Tap, down. Don't forget to breathe, don't hold your breath. Up, tap at the top of the shoulder, gallbladder 21. Down, and up. Now tap underneath the collarbones, one at a time or both. Now I'm going to come up to the side of my rib cage here, gently tapping. Okay? Sometimes people feel when they're stressed, they get this kind of tightness in the chest. We're going to tap right here. It's going to help. Good. Now I want you to tap onto your stomach, just gently here. Okay? Working the digestive system. Okay? Take your palms one on top of the other and in a clockwise fashion, gently, for 3, 2, 1, in a clockwise formation. We're just gently rotating, rubbing them. Good. Now, side of the hips. Tap, tap, all the way down. Tap, 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 tap. Tap on the inside legs. Come all the way up. down and all the way up. Perfect. Breathe in, open up the chest. Cow pose. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Good. Now, I want you to take your fingers and starting with the thumb, every finger is going to touch the thumb. So you're going to start with the index, press, middle, press, ring, press, pinky, press, ring, press, middle, press, index, press. Again, I continue this, and I want to see if you can come into some form of pattern, okay? So relax the shoulders. This is great for dexterity. It also, if you can sing along, it also helps to calm the mind so that you can clear out any of those cobwebs out of the mind so that you can allow for a boost of energy and vitality. It's beautiful to start the new year with this. Okay, have you done it? Now we're gonna sing sa, ta, na, ma. 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 Perfect. Release, shake it out. Take your hands together, roll out the wrists, roll it out, both ways. Give me a little roller coaster. Good, shake, shake, shake. Hands back down onto the chair, take the legs out, shake, 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 shake. Go ahead and put your feet hip width distance apart. I want your feet to come up on the balls of your feet and then down, up and down, up and down. Don't forget to breathe. Up and down, up and down. One more. Up and down. Go ahead, shake. Breathe. Shake. Breathe. I want you to notice. How do you feel? Go ahead and close your eyes. Is your body a little bit more buzzy and feeling a little bit more vibrant with a boost of energy? Go ahead and notice. Take a breath here. Inhaling. Exhaling. Thank you for your practice today. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. We are almost there. Well done, everyone. Peace. Namaste.